Optimum nutrition for vigor and vitality. Your food shall be your medicine, Hippocrates. Diet plays a vital role in the maintenance of good health and in the prevention and cure of disease. In the words of Sir Robert McCarrison, one of the best known nutritionalists, the right kind of food is the most important single factor in the promotion of health. And the wrong kind of food is the most important single factor in the promotion of disease. The human body builds up and maintains healthy cells, tissues, glands, and organs only with the help of various nutrients. The body cannot perform any of its functions, be they metabolic, hormonal, mental, physical, or chemical, without specific nutrients. The food which provides these nutrients is thus one of the most essential factors in building and maintaining health. Nutrition which depends on food is also the utmost importance in the cure of disease. The primary cause of disease is a weakened organism or lower resistance in the body, arising from the adoption of a faulty nutritional pattern. There is an elaborate healing mechanism within the body, but it can perform its function only if it is abundantly supplied with all the essential nutritional factors. It is believed that at least 45 chemical components and elements are needed by human cells. Each of these 45 substances, called essential nutrients, must be present in adequate diets. The list of these nutrients include oxygen and water. The other 43 essential nutrients are classified into 5 main groups, namely carbohydrates, fats, proteins, minerals, vitamins. In all, 45 of these nutrients are vitally important and they work together. Therefore, the absence of any of them will result in disease and eventually in death. Researches have shown that almost all varieties of the diseases can be produced by an undersupply of various nutrients. These nutritional deficiencies occur on account of various factors, including the intense processing and refining of foods, the time lag between the harvesting and consumption of vegetables and fruits, the chemicals used in bleaching, flavoring, coloring, and preserving foods, and the chemicals, fertilizers, fungicides, insecticides, sprays used for treating the soil. Therefore, at the first principle of the nutrition, one should insist upon whole meal flour and the whole meal bread and avoid the white stuff. Research has also shown that diseases produced by the combination of deficiencies can be corrected when all the nutrients are supplied, provided irreparable damage has not been done. A well-balanced and correct diet is thus of utmost importance for the maintenance of good health and the healing of diseases. Such a diet obviously should be made up of foods which in the combination would supply all the essential nutrients. It has been found that a diet which contains liberal quantities of seeds, nuts, grains, vegetables, fruit would provide adequate amount of all the essential nutrients. These foods have therefore been aptly called basic food groups, and the diet contains these food groups are optimum diet for the vigor and vitality.